Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here for another demo on the Anna Griffin Empress. I was asked to do a video on how to use the Gemini or Crafter's Companion 3D embossing folders with the Anna Griffin machine. So I used this folder right here, which is fabulous. Can you see all the detail in there? And it's a 3D embossing folder. So when you open it up, it's not your typical 2D embossing folder. You have multiple levels of embossing. Okay, so if you can get an idea, you see how deep this bird is, and then this is a different depth. So maybe if you can see it that way. There. So you can see that there's all different depths within here. Maybe it's easier to see on this side. So the bird here is in the foreground. Then you got these little flowers. I think that's a mistletoe right here. And so it looks like it's behind there, and then the snow is behind that. So this is what it looks like embossed. And so here you can see what I was talking about. See how the bird looks like it's in front of the mistletoe, and the mistletoe is in front of the holly, and the holly's in front of the snow. Okay. So I wanted to show you how to go ahead and use your Anna Griffin machine to emboss Crafter's Companion 3D embossing folders. Let me see. First, these are 5x7, so I want to cut another piece, which I should have done before I got on video, but let me do that quickly so I can do both of these for you. So I'm just taking my tonic one, and I want it 5x7, and this is an 8x8. So I'm just going to trim off an inch here. And then I'm just going to do this 5x5. And see, I'm out of shot, but you guys know what it looks like to trim paper. Okay, so there we go. Now I have two pieces. This is just going to be a short video. So let me show you the one that I used. First off, I took my Anna Griffin A plate. I took the embossing folder, and let's see here. Put my paper inside. I'll get it lined up and everything. Put my paper inside, go ahead and close that. I'm going to kind of put it here on an angle. Boop, boop, boop. Then I'm going to take the magnetic sheet and the magnetic shim and put that on top. You have to make sure it covers the embossing folder. Okay, so that's the sandwich that I'm going to use. My little machine over here for you. It's already on, so I'm just going to push run. Now I will say that gets to be annoying after a while to have to push run every time you want to use your machine. But it turns it on, and you want to go ahead and hold it together until it grabs it. Pushes it right on in there. Okay, now you're going to get some bowing, of course, but if you then, let me see if I can pull you down a little bit this way. There we go. So then when you take this off, here's your embossing folder. Boom. And you can see you have your multiple levels of embossing. And then there's the back. So it worked with that one. Now let's try this musical note one. I loved this. I loved it. So come all ye faithful. Da, 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 da. So we're going to do the same thing. It's a 5x7. I put in the paper. Line it up. So we've got that in there. Try to get it straight. There we go. So the A plate, your embossing folder, your 3D embossing folder with the paper inside, your magnetic mat, and the metal shim. And then I'm just going to turn it this way so you can straighten it out again. All right, and that is my combo. Make sure it covers your embossing folder. Put the machine back in. Push the run button right here. Hopefully you can all see that. It comes on. Now you want to hold it, make sure you hold it until the machine engages. Push it on through. And we shall see what it does this time. So take it out. Take your things off of there. Here's your folder. And voila. So there you go. You can emboss your 3D embossing folders from Crafter's Companion with your Anna Griffin Empress. Look at that. Fabulous. All right, thanks for watching. If you have another video request or tutorial request, leave it in the comments below, and I shall try to endeavor to do something for you. All right, see you guys later. Bye.